Here we go on this Apple. We just traded down to 503 in the first video. They came out, talked a little bit about the conference call. We just traded right back up from 503 to 538 right here, or close enough. It was 537. Well, that high was 537.68. Now trading at 530. The intraday high of the day was 531. They came out on the call. Just like I said, there was no reason for this stock to sell down as hard as it did. And we're bulls on it because we bought the 550 calls for January. I think it trades up to 570 before the end of December. And that Mr. Cook there, he's got to answer to Mr. Icon now. And that's the last thing he wants to do. So we hope that this name holds up. We ended up buying the stock. If you look at the execution order, we ended up buying it right here at 513.81. Now, the thing about it is that we're going to hold that overnight, and we will continue to buy dips at any forgiven time. Here is the actual high that was on the earnings, and it went straight down here to the low of 503.01. And we bought some, got in, got out. We bought some more at 513, which was right over here on the bottom. That's us right there on the bottom of this wick. And now we traded right up here to 538, like I just said, almost 538. It's pulling back. And I would say that there will be a lot of analysts that come out, guys, MMTs, all of you, that are going to defend the stock. They did a good quarter. They lived up to the expectations, and all of these other rat stocks during this earnings season that haven't even posted nothing as good as what Apple just posted have gone way up. For what? So here's the thing. We're going to continue to hold this name. We're going to watch that tomorrow morning, that 538 will be the resistance level. 542 was the high when they released the report. 503 back to 537.68 right here on that wick on the 15-minute bar. So we can clearly see on the 1 minute after hours chart is where that 537 high was, where he brought it down to. He popped it. So they keep coming back in and buying the dips. Just remember, though, MMTs, because of the amount of what we think could be happening. Here's a daily chart, by the way. But what we're thinking is on this. Here's a 30-minute chart. There's the low on a 30-minute. So what we're going to carefully watch is he's at 529. So we're going to see that what kind of gap up from here in the morning would be. And not only that, when they pull it back on the dip, we'll run right in there and buy different calls if we have to. We'll buy the stock outright and we'll make a ton of money.